Hi, this is Chris from Petrol Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Cooper's Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2009 GH Mazda 6 Luxury Sports Hatch. Stock reference number 4690. This shape runs from the 2nd month 2008 through to the 11th month 2012. It has an L5 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 6-speed manual front-wheel drive transmission. L5 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. We have the radiator grille, right hand headlight, right hand fog light, square type, tidy front bumper cover, left hand square type fog light, left hand headlight, Xenon, left guard appears to have no damage, left power door mirror. This vehicle is fitted with 18-inch factory alloy mags. The left front has a good tyre. For the left hand side skirt, left front door 2 small dents, left rear door 1 small dent, left rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. With the rear spoiler, right rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, right hand side skirt, right rear door 2 small dents, right front door 1 small dent, right guard appears to have no damage, right power door mirror, and a right front 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. With the driver side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black leather interior, black leather center console lid, owner's manual and dealership case, 6-speed manual gear shifter, climate control, heated controls, factory Bose 6-stack CD player, interior mirror, sun roof type courtesy lamp, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and an average 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons. I'm Chris from Petrol Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.